What is going on, peeps? It's your boy Aellis, and today we're back to doing a little cheap DIY modification for the Creeper, well, the interior anyways. Now this is something that I kind of used to like, well, not I like, but sometimes I like doing little like cheap DIY stuff that anyone can do, like it's not very expensive. I haven't done one in a while. The last one I've done was probably the front splitter, and that's probably it actually. I haven't done a lot of DIY stuff. I did the badge in plastic, but anyways, we're going to be doing like a little carbon fiber gear shifter like knob modification. I'll show you quickly actually. So this is our little package, just open it up and I'll show you what's inside. Boom, there we go. So this is basically what I am going to be replacing today. So obviously this is a nice little carbon fiber thing, and this is like leathery, like hard leather kind of thing, whatever it is. But we're going to be replacing it with this, because I think obviously this is a lot cleaner, and then maybe in the future we can do like a lot more carbon fiber like stickers around. We don't know what will happen. So I was basically just like looking through not Instagram, to Facebook one of these days on the MQB owners platform or something like that, or the MK3 owners platform. I can't remember what one it was. And I saw that someone done this to the car, and I thought, wow, that's a nice little thing that I can do. And it wasn't that expensive, like literally like $30 or something like that. I'll put the link below in the description. So if you have a DSG car, you can go purchase it if you want. Comment below or even like the video to let me know if you have a DSG car. So obviously I know how many people might consider doing this, and I know like future mods that I can do that's relatable to other people that owns DSG cars. Let's get this seat cleared up so I can have some space to work from. The car needs a wash. Oh, these little two goodies I'll talk to you guys about in a minute. That's gonna be fun. While I'm here, let's quickly show you something else that I actually really like, and if I could ever, when I get the chance, oh damn, that looks sexy, and when I do get the chance to buy one, I will. What is it? You know, control, I think I might have shown you guys this before, but it's like this sick carbon fiber steering wheel that I'm absolutely in love with. My phone's taking forever to load. That's exactly what I need to talk to you guys about in a minute anyways. Damn man, why is it taking so long? There we go. So this steering wheel here is absolutely lovely, and I would love to be able to get one of these days, but obviously the remap is first priority. Why is it not focusing? Focus, there we go. Remap is first priority, and it cost around £600. That is pretty pricey. With £600, obviously you can get a stage 1 remap, ECU, DSG, a stage 1 remap, and maybe a DSG tune upgrade as well. So you can do a lot with £600, so it's not on the priority list. But anyways, let's stop talking and get into this quick modification installation of this bad boy. So I am hoping that these two line up. As I'm looking at it right now, I don't think they do, which is, oh my god, imagine if they don't line up. I'm looking at it right now and I don't think the dimensions are right. This will be such a waste. Actually, I need to take these, I'm not going to take the whole thing off and put this in there, because obviously let's show you the mechanics. There we go. So that's the mechanics, that comes down, and when you press it down, then it releases. You can move the gear shifter. That's what happens here anyways. But yeah, let's get straight into it. So I just need to take the covers off, basically, off both of them, and reinsert them. So that should be pretty easy. I haven't got the longest fingernail, so you can use some sort of pry tool. I'm going to use a spoon. Like everyone has a spoon, so this is definitely DIY, do it yourself. Oh damn, imagine if it's can't fit in the groove. Let's see. So there we go. I think it can. Damn, I don't want to break anything. Here we go. Oh damn, that's off. Please don't break anything. And on the bottom, that fell off. Ah, where are you gone? So yeah, that's that part's off. Let's remove this part first before carrying on. Actually, it's proven to be an absolute nightmare. Please nothing break, please nothing break. Oh thank god, nothing broke. Let's compare them side by side. That is perfect. That is actually perfect. They line up so perfectly. This is what the first material was like. You can see that it's like the lever is kind of like wrapped around like a hard shell, and the carbon fiber, well, I doubt it's real carbon fiber. It doesn't really matter anyways. It's not going to make that much of a drastic weight saving. Yeah, they pretty much got the same, so it's basically just a click on. Let's find the correct. Maybe I need to stick that part down first. Oh, come on. Why is it taking so long? I don't want to break anything, that's what I'm really worried about. Okay, let's find the flipping... The bottom needs to go in first, that's for one. Okay, this is kind of giving me a bit of a problem. I'm gonna put the first one on and then maybe the second one will be easier. Then I'll show you what it looks like. Bam, so that is on. And now while they're both like there, I'll probably do a thumbnail like that actually. While they're like there, comment below what side you think looks better. Do you think the carbon side looks better, the carbon side looks better, or this side looks better? Obviously it looks nice with the black as well. I didn't think the silver was gonna work and I wasn't gonna try and remove all that crap to, nah, forget that. It would be lovely to have that in Alcantara. And imagine if there's like a carbon fiber outside, there's potential, we'll see what happens. But yeah, that looks sick. Actually really happy with it. So now let's take the other side off. Obviously we got a little pry spoon. Let's put it in there. I don't want nothing sharp to scratch anything, so that's why I'm using this. There we go. Take the hinges off, down there. There we go, and just use my hand and take the rest off. Hopefully I didn't break anything. I did break something. If it focuses. Yep, broken. Fun. So let's hope I don't break nothing off of this one, because that would be super annoying. These things are so delicate. I did crack that one a bit right there, if you can see it, but hopefully it shouldn't be too much of a problem. Once they're on, like, they don't need to come off and they're pretty much like secured anyways. So let's get this one on now. Surprisingly, when I put the first one on, it just clipped in as soon as I put the camera down. Oh, there we go. Sick. Yeah, that's how easy it is. Now that is done. Bam. So you go there. Oh, bam. Look how easy that is. Super easy. And then let's do the other side. Quick ting. Put that down in there. And bam. There we go. And now we have a before and after. Come on, look how different. Obviously with the black, but that looks so much better. It's unreal. That looks so much better.
Hello, mate.
Hi.
What's the name here, please?
Let's turn this on quickly. So I haven't told babe anything yet, but can you look in the car and see if you notice anything different? Let's look around.
No.
Look around, look down, look everywhere.
It does look a bit more tuned.
Oh my god, don't do that. Don't force it, just look for it.
I don't see anything new, babe. Oh yeah. Yeah.
That look nice.
It does look really nice.
Looks nice, isn't it?
Looks crisp.
I'm actually addicted to it now. Like, I've got one piece of carbon.
Sexy.
And now I just like, what, like, I think I've got the carbon fever now. I just want loads of carbon. It looks really nice.
It's nice.
Wow.
It
Damn.
is nice.
That just looks so sick. Oh, good morning, peeps. Damn, this video has taken me so long to finish. I don't know if I mentioned this in the previous clips, but now that I've got a new phone, what I'm gonna do with the old one, which is an iPhone 7, I'm gonna go sell it, and whatever I get from, I don't know if, as I said, I don't know if I mentioned it, but whatever I get from it, I'm gonna use it and buy something for the car. So I'm thinking, I've looked on eBay, and I've seen them going for like £200. So this one's fairly clean. It's probably got a little bit of scratches up there. We're gonna see how much we get for it. Between 150 and 200 I'm expecting, and then we'll sit down and see what we can actually get for that. So leave in the comments now what you think I should get. But I do have an idea of something that I might want to get, and yeah, let's go sell this bad boy. So we have got a few offers. So now I'm just gonna accept one of them and we can go ahead and make this purchase. So let's add this to our basket. Okay, so that is finally done. Should be arriving within the next week or so. I'm actually kind of stoked. Maybe I can do it as like my Christmas unboxing thing for myself. I'm not sure when it's gonna come, but hopefully within the next few weeks, a few days. Thumbs up the video if you haven't already, and subscribed, and don't forget to leave in the comments below if you guys think the modification was what you guys made of the modifications, and hopefully we can do a bit more in the future to come. That being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.